I think it's not allowed. Are you safe? It's not morning anymore. It's 4 p.m. Hindi ako pumasok sa work. Ewan ko lang kung nasabi ko ba sa inyo, but 1 week akong off this week para asikasuhin yung mga bata at saka yung bahay kasi the house is crazy. House is crazy. Ang lapit na ng kailangan na naming tapusin yung super busy guys sa upcoming namin na paglipat and also yung sa mga bata din. Isa din yun. Number one reason kung ba't ako nag-office. Yun. No, let's go. Did you guys drink water? So ngayon, nasa bahay lang kami. Pero si Destiny gustong lumabas ng magbisikleta daw. Pagbibigyan ko na lang. Ito, malapit sa amin na malapit dito na kawa dito sa river. Yan, gamit niya to. Yung maliit niya, gamit niya yung maliit na bisikleta. Tapos yun yung kay kuya.
Yes.
Saka itong sa kay Destiny din to guys. Ito yung bago niya. Malaki. Ano na yun. Yun ang gagamitin niya para magamit ko to. Okay, bring it out, Destiny. You guys didn't put sunscreen. Be careful, be careful. Destiny behind you. Check behind you, Destiny. Not just in front. Okay.
No.
Nandito na kami. Nag-bike na kami na I don't know, 10 minutes or 15. 10 yata. Ano da? May nagdala ko ng yakudon guys. Practice. Holy! I think it's not allowed! Stop it! Kuya, be careful! Kuya! Kakapanood lang kasi ng Jurassic Park. Ayun. Run for your life! Okay, mag-swing tayo. Langga snake, inatan eh! Snake, inatan eh. Well, how much long did they, sight no?
I don't know.
10? 15? 10?
I listened to one Symbol song. It was like 5 minutes. 2 of them, so 10 minutes.
15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Around 15, yeah.
Yay!
I'm going to win!
Can you go far? Kimuchi mo rin mami na kaitay.
Sa'yo?
Nakakuhay. I'm just doing myself by myself, but I'm scared. I don't know. Hey man! Why I'm so scared of cat?
Oh no.
You have to be careful with a big bird.
I have to be here! Ready? Kuya, face the camera to me! Face the camera to me!
I'll do it. Can I do it?
No!
Kuya ka na, kuhay?
No, coconut!
Say no. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
It's easier. It's easy.
Guys, let's look at Kulembo.
Huh?
Dame.
Dame. Sarah, we're here. We cycled. We play that. Not too much, ne? Not too much. Not too much. What? Guys, the reason na hindi ko siya masyadong kasi 'di ba? Alam niyo naman na hospital siya. 'Di ba? 1 week ago na 'yon, pero last time nag-busy siya. Kaya oh my gosh, this sounds so scary. Guys, there's a monkey, guys, oh. Is that safe? Are you safe? Where? Where's the... Sarah! No! 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 Stop throwing stuff. You might hurt your kuya. Namanasay. Kiat tayo ba? Di na lang ma-relax na nagdula naman. Let's send pictures to Daddy.
It's so perfect to make a tree house.
Yeah. Do. Okay, safe. Okay, go outside. Wait. Go, go. Go, go. No, it's not kawaii. Do it. Ah.
落ちるわこれ。
落ちないよ。せーの、go.
Jurassic Park.
Sarah, imagine there's a dinosaur behind you, below you. Go. Oh my gosh, you're getting eaten, Sarah.
Wait, there's it. Here. Imagine.
Imagine, Sarah, imagine. Well, I'm not good too. I'm bad at it
After I'm
too.
going to fall, I'm going to say this.
Okay.
I hit my head. I hit my head.
No, grab that branch. Grab that branch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Pisto lang.
Okay, then the other leg there. Other leg there. No. Other leg, this leg, that. Come, this. No, sir, no.
I'm scared.
No. Put your butt in there. Yeah.
Remember here?
And then this, that.
Oh, there's an ant.
Okay, just enough there, Ina. Kuko.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can
Okay.
go.
You start. You bring your feet on the other island. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Sit down.
Yeah. There's ants here.
Oh, be careful, not only may paling lang.
Should we go here?
Yeah. Yeah, and then climb this here, and then come down like.
Lulu, just to get them. Where are you going?
Okay, now I want you to jump, but here. So you're gonna sway it like this.
But I can go here.
Okay.
I'll go here.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay, Kuya, can you see us? Okay. Go. Wait. Let Kuya Oli will find his. This way.
Ah,
Be careful. Wait, Sina. Wait for your brother.
oh my gosh.
Sit down.
Ow.
Okay. Sit down, okay? Now, jump and get there.
Jump and get this.
Right.
Can I do that?
Yep. Stand up. Go. Sway. Up, or I'm gonna push you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Kuya Holly's turn. You can throw the phone.
No.
Throw the phone here.
No.
Lulu, this is
Wait, it's okay. No, here. It's crash. It's okay. It's gonna be fine.
What if there's a hidden rock?
No, there's no rock. Wait, I'm gonna check. Nothing. Safe. Say, this way. Not on the branch, ne? Here, ne? Come down, Kuya. Can you do the same with that, just like Sarah did? But strong.
This one, if you can. Oh. They grab this one. Oh yeah, okay.
Ah! No, you didn't do it. Yeah, I want you to sway.
Try again.
Oh,
I want to do it.
yes, sir. Sway, push, Kuya, push.
Are you sure?
Can you push? I asked, ne? I asked Kuya, I asked you to push, Kuya. Don't. Tama yun. Say bye-bye to Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Oreo, come here. Ayaw umandar ng car. Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Bagyo ngayon dito sa Japan. Okay. Tulog pa ang mga bata. I think. Ay, gising na pala ang isang bata namin dito. Si Holly. Eh, Holly siya na. Sure. Oreo. Ang sarap. So, kahapon guys, ito ang nagawa ko. Yan. By the way, magkakaroon kami ng flea market. May nakita ako sa internet. I thank you, Lord. Sakto, nag-search ako sa internet kung saan makahanap or mayroong flea market. Meron kami, medyo malayo, pero okay na din. Dito sa Komatsugawa Koen. Mamaya, siguro kapag nakabayad na ako, may ibibigay silang details sa akin. Yung flea market organization. Kung ano yung mga gusto nating ibenta guys. Ayan, mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, ito, mga binili namin guys, na hindi ko alam na, harap naglilinis ako, ang daming mga ganito na hindi ko alam kung ano saan galing. Ayan, so ibenta natin sila ng gojuyen. Ayan, itong box na to, magiging gojuyen, everything inside gojuyen. Ito, manakita din ako nito, hindi ko alam. I'm sure ako nito. Ang tagal na nito yun. Gusto ko kasi yung kulay yung ano ni Daddy. Yung kanyang kilay. Yan. Kailangan na natin siyang ibenta kasi yung expiration 2012. 2007 pa rin. Kung interesado kayo, Hanapin niyo yung aking store sa Mercari. Yun. May mga damit ako doon. Saka may mga pinupost ako doon ng mga binibenta ko. Check nyo lang kung interesado kayo, okay? Well, anyway, I'm just gonna sit down here, drink coffee. Magamitin ko tong mug ni Daddy. Yan, ubos na yung coffee niya. Tapos, magtutulala muna ako dito. Ang sarap ng weather, guys. Alam ko, masarap sa akin kasi nasa bahay ako. Pag nasa trabaho ka, hindi ko alam. Napaka-hassle. Kaya, I'm not sorry. Kasi na-appreciate ko naman din talaga na nandito kami sa bahay ng mga bata. But at the same time, I know it's hard. Kasi nung last na pasok ko, oh my gosh, guys. Para akong naligo. Like, totally naligo ako sa ulan. Basang-basa. Pagpasok ko ng train, akala ko, hindi na ako makakasakay sa train kasi talagang, like, drenched. Alam mo yun? And then, sabi ko dun sa mga katabi ko, pasensya na kayo kasi sobrang, I'm so, nuriteru. Tapos sabi nitong, buti na lang yung katabi ko, ang bait niya. Sabi niya, it's okay. Daijoubu desu. Kaya alam ko yung struggle, guys, kapag nasa labas, kapag papasok sa ulan. Kaya mag-iingat kayo lagi, okay? Lakihan nyo yung payong and magbotas kayo. Mamaya na saka na yung, pretty high heels. Mag-boots muna kayo ng pang-ulan. Okay, guys? So, yun nga. Magtulala muna ako. Magko-coffee muna ako, guys. And i-update ko kayo later. Hi! Alam niyo ba kahapon, adobo ang ulam namin. Ngayon, guys, sobrang nagustuhan ng mga bata. Ayun, oh. Ayan, adobo. Ang adobo. Nasa 1.1, sobrang 1 kilo mahigit, guys. Silang tatlo, like, halos maubos na ng 2 bata yung adobo. Hindi ako kumain ha, kasi kasabay isa na ako kay Daddy. Pagtingin ko, sabi ni Holly sa akin, Mami, ilang chicken ang ititira namin sa'yo? Guys, pagtingin ko, guys, ubos na. Ubos na actually. Ilan na lang ang natira. Siguro nasa 6 or nasa 7 drumstick na lang. Isamantalang ang dami-dami nun, guys. Kaya ngayon, nag-request ulit sila. Adobo daw ulit. Kaya ito, imamarinate na natin yung ating chicken hanggang 5. Alas 9 pa. So, 8 hours natin siyang imamarinate. So, isang bulb ng garlic. Pero ang lalaki ng garlic, guys, so tingnan nyo. Ang lalaki. So, ko pa to. Kaptash ko pa to lalo. So, tonight, ang gamit ko na chicken is 1.5 kilo. Pero feeling ko, maubos pa din na to. Lalo na 8 hours ang marinate. Guys, I'm making lunch for Destiny. Ito yung gusto niya. Tapos na si Holling mag-lunch. Ako hindi pa.
Hey.
Don't click, mommy. Don't click, mommy. Kiss.
Yeah, that's it. Good. birthday.